Wow, look at that face of this lady. Wow. So amazed. I'm so amazed. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. By the way, I'm your local reactor from the Philippines. My name is Jayson and I'm so excited. I'm so happy to give you another reaction video. And our next reaction video, guys, yes. Before anything else, I just want to share this because this morning I was there in this premiere of the new uploaded song of Mami Taibang. So, Mami Taibang, thank you so much. The title of this song is Mitchi Langthak by Laipha and Ningsing. And I think the singer here are Arbin and Surma. Official music video released 2022. Alright. So, before anything else, I just want to share this. Yes, first of all, I just want to share this to my fellow Filipino friends out there. Please guys, support this kind of music. Alright, so before we start, if you are new to my YouTube channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe first to my channel and don't forget to smash that bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction video like this. So without further ado, let's get started after this short intro. Mami Taibang. What's that? Oh, the flowers. Mitchi Langthak. By the way, guys, please tell me what's the meaning of Mitchi Langthak. Just comment down below. Oh, a beautiful flower. This beautiful lady also. Oh, wow. She buy? Yeah, she buy just like a flower. They're both compatible, huh? Oh. This was so romantic. How about the song? Wow. She's so beautiful. Wow, I like this girl. He's so in love, this girl. Wow, what a nice dress. What a nice traditional costume. Am I right, guys? Yeah. What's the purpose of this? Why are you wearing this kind of a costume? That sounds or that voice of Surma? Wow. It's like a songbird. Arbin voice. flowers. Hi. I like the rhythm. This. A romantic scene of this. This morning I'm so in love to watch this. That's why I want to share this to all of you guys. Am I right, guys? They are both compatible. Wow, look at that face of this lady. Wow. So amazing. I'm so amazed. Wow. I like what's this? Putting in some kind of a decoration in the is that a flowers? Feather? Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Too much pretty leaders here. Wow. Very nice to watch kind of ladies dancing with the traditional dress. Oh, wow. Very nice. Is there any celebration why they are wearing this kind of a traditional dress? Wow. Oh. Whoa. Wow, so sweet. Finally, give these flowers to this guy. Whew, the best. Wow. See? That was, I told you guys that this song is very, very beautiful, very, very nice song. Alright, so there's a lot of romantic scene here, especially this artist here. They're both compatible, guys. I like them, guys. So, what do you think, guys? Did you like this kind of music? So, I think yes, because me, from my bottom of my heart, I like it, guys. That's why I shared this to you because I want to support this kind of a music from Maneclang. So if you like it, guys, don't forget to leave some comment, some like, and don't forget also to share this to your friends. So yes, I like it, guys, and I just want to thank also to Mami Taibang for supporting me to supporting me and gives me permission to react this new uploaded music. Alright, so wow, thank you so much for having me here until the end of this reaction of video. Alright, so by the way, before we leave this reaction of video, just to tell you guys, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please smash that bell button for me, for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all and God bless you. Bye. See you in my next reaction video.